Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maiza Fatania Rismarini and I'm from 8.2. I'm 21 attendance list. So today I want to tell you about the Independence Day. So the Independence Day is a day when Indonesian celebrates a big day. This is important because it marks in the increases of age of Indonesian by one number. And then Independence Day is very fun and I'm so happy because there is any there is have many holding events and carnival and then other big event and then and have many people selling snacks and the snacks is very delicious and I got by one because and then I'm so happy because we celebrate it this once a year. So that is for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.